I'm the principal of the school. The school is St. Charles Kabeo Secondary School. It is a mixed school with enrollment of 420 students. The candidature has been improving with the time. In 2020, we had 78 candidates, and we had a mean score of 4.7. 2021, the number of candidates increased to 90, and we had a mean score of 4.8. Then 2021, we had 104, and we had a mean of 5.7. 2023, we had 113, and then we have a mean score of 6.5. The result has been improving because of efforts put by BOM, teachers, and cooperation with parents. We have also made some changes of allowing from first to board, both boys and girls. That has given them enough time and teachers enough time to assist them. That is why the result has been improving. We hope to improve it further by improving the facilities we have, like providing water here. We have drilled a borehole, but it is not yet fitted with the water pump and the overhead tank to be able to use it. So we are still hoping we'll have some money in the future and do the same to allow the students to fully be in here and also improve their health. In terms of discipline, the students are not very bad. We have problem of truancy. Some come, they disappear, even follow up with the chief. But up to some extent, like if you find one has gone to Nairobi, so there is very little you can do. A girl-boy child relationship. When they walk home, they are together. And as I've told you, the youths of these days are not as disciplined. I know they are related, so it's a challenge. The pregnancy is largely given by boys. So that is a matter of community. The community can help us. The problem that makes the girls very vulnerable because the parents are not able to provide so well for their needs. So they are usually, they become vulnerable to those who cheat them by maybe offering to buy them a few things like the always and the like. And when they pay in kind, now the result is pregnancy. More so these ones of border. They are the major victims. The problem of early pregnancy is a big challenge here. 3/4 of girls are affected. And when they are breastfeeding, they have challenges of learning. So we are just appealing to the community because most of the students are from the surrounding community to help them and improve on that area to allow the students to have time to learn without being interfered with through early pregnancy. The government has a policy, it's only that it is not enforced. You find that happens and the parents do not take action. The government allows for action to be taken to those who are victim of such kind of acts. But because the parents do not follow up, the government may not know. But there is a policy for that. If they would take action to such boys, then the cases would be minimized. Yes. Payment of school fees is a challenge to the community because family sizes are big. The farms have become smaller and smaller and they depend on farming. So the income they get from farming is not enough. So we are appealing to the CDF to consider subsidizing for them the way the the county government through MCA has done, like last year, the MCA Masika East helped 100 students, and he has promised to do the same this year. So with that, there is usually very good improvement because now the students will be fully here. Now the challenge of what we collect as fees, we've been charging 7,500 for lunch, and the cost of food has gone up. We have talked to the parents to allow us to charge even 10,000 to be able to provide food. Then for boarders, we have been charging 28,000, which is also very inadequate. We have also talked to the parents to allow us to charge at least 32,000. That will be enough just to ensure the students are kept here. If we put the fee as required by the government, we will keep many away. So we are just trying to work with what can work. We have 19 teachers, but currently we have 12. So understaffing is a serious challenge. So it means we have to employ 7 more. With the financial strain we have, you'd imagine the problem that we are now facing. We have to make do with the little we have and ensure we have these teachers around. So if TSE can assist us to reduce the shortage even by 3, it would be okay. I thank the parents, I thank the community for the peace we have, and then the DOG for commitment, and teachers for hard work, as well as the students. So we hope this year we will reach a target of 7 over this one of